Look at this setup.
Yeah. I fired.
Look at it, it's just gone.
Oh my god.
Devastation just hit. My shoe! It's ruined! I got mud on my shoe. But I really hope I got that.
Where'd you walk down to?
We went that way. This is a frozen river that me and my other friend, we were on yesterday to take pictures because I needed to take pictures. And I can insert those pictures. Let me just like show you because you'll like recognize it in the pictures.
I wish there was a freaking bird.
Sounds like it. Do it. He said he wouldn't go out on the ice, and look at him.
Look at me go.
My mom would not approve this rock climbing excursion, but it's worth it because of the water. Mans is balancing this tripod on a rock. Into some sketchy stuff now. He found a circle thing over there and we're going over there now because apparently this really freaking cool area is not cool enough for this man. This is pretty cool. Recap, we just really struggled to get back up here. This man, I don't know if I could get it, but right here, there's a lot of mud and he like slipped and thankfully caught the tree at the last second. He didn't fall, didn't drop anything, but it was really close. It was kind of funny actually. But of course I wasn't recording. Made it back to the car. But cameras, both all good. We might not be, but the gear is, that's all that matters.
That's all that matters. I don't care if I get it.